Let's dive into this explainer. Imagine fitting an entire civilization's history and culture into one massive book.
So, how do you capture the vast Uyghur and Turkic world? Well, it takes some serious ambition.
The goal? Literally preserving everything. We're talking ancient folklore right down to detailed astronomical records.
Getting there took a staggering 15 years of non-stop academic hustle, compiling totally scattered source materials. The Academy's dedication was relentless. They pushed this massive cultural encyclopedia all the way to a 3rd edition. This whole shebang was driven by a brilliant core team, including scholars like Abdullah and Ibrahim Effendi.
Its global impact was so huge, translating it for English readers took another 30 years.
They carefully cataloged geographic markers, like Kushlok for wintering grounds, locking in that crucial link between language and land.
The result? A total masterpiece, shaping how we understand Central Asian literature, history, geography, and ethnography today. So, this epic undertaking leaves us wondering, how will we keep protecting these profound cultural legacies forever?